Here we will learn about activities. As I told you before that in Palampur almost all type of activities are going on. First, we will understand what is activity. The term activity means when a human do any work by which some process starts. Example of a farmer we can take who cultivates crops in the fields. This is an activity. Some mills owner purchases wheat from farmers and prepare wheat flour in mills. This is also an activity. In the shops, wheat flour is available and the shopkeepers sell it. This is also an activity. This way, activities are being done by everyone who is alive for earning money to survive their own lives. This way, we can say that activities are also called as earning process. To understand this process, we can have a look at the flowchart. Here you can see that activities are classified into three parts: primary, secondary, and tertiary activities. In actual, all three activities are complementary to each other. Why? Because in the absence of one activity, the another activity cannot be completed. Read the flowchart here. I think you can understand by this way also, as the first activity is primary activity. Its meaning is that the activities which provide raw materials are called as primary activity. Raw material means a thing which is used only after converting or changing into finished goods or things, which is used only after processing. We can take the example of wheat. We do not eat wheat directly until a series of processes are not being done on that. Means farmers grow wheat in the fields, then flour mill workers change this quantity of wheat into flour, then a shopkeeper sell it. As a consumer, we purchase that and take to our kitchens. Then the mother used to knead the flour in different ways to prepare roti, chapati, puri, or paratha. Then only we consume it in our food. I think now it's clear to you all. This way, agriculture, dairy farming, fishing, and mining are the primary activities. C. Agriculture provides all type of raw materials to prepare food items like wheat, rice, pulses, fruits, vegetables, etc. Beverages like tea and coffee, fiber crops like cotton and jute, and fodder for the cattle. Same as dairy farming provides milk in the large quantities, which is used to prepare different edible items like ghee, butter, milk, yogurt, cheese, curd, milk for sweets and chocolates, etc. Fishing also provides fish as a raw material because directly we do not consume raw fish. It is also used for food and medicines after processing. Same as mining, which provides all the minerals and metals which are being extracted from the earth in the form of an ore. After processing or converting these ores, we find the separate and different metals like iron, manganese, zinc, cobalt, nickel, copper, brass, and many others.